NAP Progress. NAP Progress. NAP Udodo Njikoka and Ocha Progressive Union of Ghana cordially invites you to their inauguration of NAP Patrons and Matrons, launching of our first ever almanac and unveiling of our ultra-modern hall building plan and end of the year party under the distinguished chairmanship of Engineer Okafo Arinze Nzegold, Director Draw Investment Ghana Limited, and Mr. Abata I. Emmanuel, Teacher, Melum Nanduchi, Vice Chairman NAP Auto Pass Merchant. Date Sunday 20th November 2022. Venue Eagle Choice Dansuma Accra, Ghana. Time 1 p.m. prompt. Special guest of honor His Royal Majesty Eze Dr. Ambassador Chukwu J. Ihenetu Eze Ndibo na Ghana, Eze Ohazrume na Ghana. His Royal Majesty Igwe Chinedu Kingsley Eze Igbo Central Region Ghana, CEO Edumotors Limited, CEO Kings Drive Ghana Limited. Chief Charles Nemeka Eze Nago Obuzuru Igwe Anambra State in Ghana. Chief Chukwemeka Nnaji, President NUTAG. Chief Ikechukwu Obiasulu Ezani Omehukwana Neni, Anota Local Government Area, Anambra State. Manager Yongsha Grove Transport Ghana, Chairman Neni Town Union Ghana Branch, Founder NAP Ghana Branch. Sir Elozola Nnachukwu Ezapa, President Anambra State Union Ghana. Chief Paul Okuta Obi of Accra. Chief Chijoke Okoye KC Global Limited, Opera Accra, Ghana. Chief and Lolo Isuchukwu Ezobi, Free Man One Company Limited, Abogidiwana Umunchi. Mr. Ozo Christian Obina, Chris Obimako Ventures Limited, Ahamefula John Paul, Aham JP International Ghana Limited, Mwakibeya, Sauche Odeka, Knight of St. John International, KSJI, founding member NAP, former treasurer NAP, chairman Building Committee, NAP Hall, CEO, Gupadro Limited, Opera Square, Accra, Ghana. Pastor Francis Chijoke Okonkwo, Back to Christ Bible Church, Wager, Accra, Ghana, CEO, First Time Marketing, NAP Treasurer. Pastor Odika Michael, Head Pastor, International Ministry of Royal House International, CEO, Marius Productions Limited and MPL Electricals. Chief Emmanuel Akigwe, CEO, Marriage Ventures, aka Kaswap Money, Assistant Financial Secretary, NAP. Nze Ukoyota Ugochukwu Sebastian, CEO, Brown Ventures Ghana Link, aka Odinanwane Riako, Enugu Kuna Omunri, Assistant Provost, NAP. Mr. Chizoba C. Owura, CEO, Zobates Communication Ghana, aka Life Lion, Chief BRO, NAP Ghana. Queen Mother of the Day, Queen Mother Nke Mallet, is the one in Lioness, former Secretary, Assistant Financial Secretary, Matron, and the founding member, NAP. Mr. Tochukwu Agulefo, Mr. Kwezo Kuwana Abagana. Sponsors: Youngsha Gross Motor International, GUO Transport Company West Africa, Freeman Company Limited, Saka Trading Company. For directions and inquiries, call 054-6223-968, 050-436-0690, 024-840-9040, 024-236-5253. MC of the day, MC Oyi Kubana. Music by Sense and Wamba, Big Daddy. The man on camera by Prince Ike Hypertech Media. Onyo Ndieze, home and abroad. Be there to celebrate with us as we launch our Medina Marak and Njikoka and Neocha Progressive Building Plan Project 2023. Don't miss out. Makana Yomana Daima.